Hey there, this is Chris from AskX. So AskX is your company AI assistant based on all your tool. We have one of our biggest release yet from December, and we are getting ready to release publicly, so stay tuned for that. I want to start with one of the biggest improvement that we made. So it's actually a new tool called Ask in Bulk. For this one, like you might have the use case, you might not. If not, like you can skip this. So the idea is, for instance, like let's copy this list from an RFP. So that's the kind of form that people receive with hundreds of questions from their um, customer. So it can be security form tenders. Here I can just paste them. Could paste hundreds of them. I will use a space to set some specific filters. So here it will only look on specific parts and also instruction. And then I can run all of them at once. Literally, this can make you save days of work. So if you have people that are solution engineers, sales, and a lot of other roles, really, this can be game changer. So here you can see that you have all your answers at once. You can copy it one by one. You can actually look at the sources explaining. Also, you can expand to see the explanation to see why it has been generated. And once it's done, you'll be able to copy in clipboard. So here I will just go like to this random spreadsheet, and here it is. I would have like something that I can copy and paste in my spreadsheet. Awesome. That's number one. We have a lot more. So the second thing is here you can see already that you have some suggestion. So when you land on AskX now, we will actually prompt you some suggestion from your space. And so if we go to a space, so for instance, I go to my onboarding space, you can see that there are a few queries that are suggested for all the people that join my company. And we set them ourselves as suggested queries. You can use it as a small FAQ. And so it means that when I arrive at slides and I get onboarded, I can have like suggestion. And I know that this query will be following some specific instructions. I could have set some filters. I should actually on this space. And there it is. I'll get my full answer straight away. So that's something very interesting for you to customize the experience for your team. Then we kept adding new sources. So we have now a few things: GitHub, Git documentation, and GitHub Wiki. We now support many more websites. So this one, you need to send us your link, but we can actually add it manually for you. And the last thing in sources, which is super exciting, is custom sources. So custom sources is, you can find the documentation here, a way for you to build your own source. So if you have a source that is not supported natively yet by AskX, you can add there, create your own custom source. You'll get an ID. Here it is. And well, then like you can use either our API or Zapier integration to index your object. With this endpoint, you will be able to list all the objects of a custom integration, to delete them, to update them, and so on, and to add a new object as well. This way, for instance, here I have my TLDV integration for my meeting recorded with TLDV that runs on custom integration. All right, so much stuff. And the last one, I think, is orchestrated mode. So this one is a beta. If you go to the slide lab, so to your settings as beta, you can enable improvements to slide desk and AskX. Then you need to get back to slides over to your AskX account and reload. It needs to be reloaded to be active. And here you can see that, for instance, find the last love letter we received on Slack. I will type something like this. Here it is analyzing the query. It detected that I am asking something in Slack channel. Then it will run multiple queries at once. And as you can see, it will read multiple sources. And here it is, that was like something that where AskX like run multiple filters on its own. You could do something like much more advanced, like you can say, well, anyway, you can play with it. You can filter by date, by author, by data source. And the idea is to give you better answers. It's still beta, it's still experimental, but it does enable much more for your Ask experience. Awesome. Let us know if you have any feedback, question, requests, if you're curious on what's next. Um, you can find this here. So we have a bank of use case that we need to publish. We have a new Ask Insights workflow that is being finished. And then like the big thing that we are working on beside new integration is custom digest and automation. So the idea is for you to be able to run an automation and get a digest that is custom to your needs. So typically give me a report on the performance of this team, what happens on this topic. You can specify your instruction and it will run every week, every month, and so on. So very similar to the digest that we generate from your Slack activity, but this time custom to your need. So yeah, stay tuned for that and have a good one.